Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to make multiple characters in Blender more quickly and easily by using a free public domain model from OpenGameArt. I used one model to make a hero and enemies for Gotm Jam 27 with the theme of Dungeon. I'm using the Animated Characters pack by Kinney from OpenGameArt. I will put a link below to this model. There are also many more free models in OpenGameArt that you could start with. We are going to open the character model we are using in Blender. We will click on the armature in the model, press Alt-P, and clear Parent. We are getting rid of the armature because we are going to rig and animate this in Mixamo. We will save this as a base model. Under Preferences, check Auto Mirror. This will automatically cut the model in half and mirror it. We will select Ghost Mode so we can grab the vertices in the back as well, and we will select the Edit tab, then Auto Mirror. We will save it now as Hero because we want to use the base for the other characters. First of all, we are going to give him some boots. Be sure to have Ghost Mode selected so you can select the faces in the back. And press B to do Box Select. And press Alt-E to extrude these faces along the normals. We will add an indent to the middle of his boots. Then we will use the knife tool to draw out where we want his hair. I am going to separate out the hair so it will look better with smooth shading. I will select the faces I want to separate, right-click, hover over Separate, and select Selection. Then press Alt+E and extrude faces along the normals, and give his hair the length we want. We will give him a belt. Grab the faces, separate them, call them belt, and press Alt-E, and extrude the faces along the normals. We will give him short sleeves. In Edge Mode, double-click on the loop and press S to scale it, to make the loop larger or smaller. Next, we will use the knife tool to give him a nose. I give him the colors I want. I duplicate and separate out the faces where his eyes and mouth will be, because I will animate them with 2D animations. This model is done for now. I will make an enemy next. I will turn the same model into a zombie. The first thing I want to change are proportions. I want it to be tall and thin and look kind of like a re-dead. We don't want him to look cute, so we will scale the head down. We will flatten his feet and make them larger. So we go into Ghost Mode and keep dragging and stretching the limbs out where we want them. Keep moving, then scaling. Keep turning the model around to check if anything is messed up in the back, and save often. We will go into Edge Mode, double-click edges to get the edge around the whole loop, and then scale the loop, so we like the way it looks. We are trying to give him a bony look. We will color him, then use the knife tool to give him some ragged pants. We will color the pants. Since we're not animating his face, we will make some eyes and give them an emissive material so we can see them in the dark. Next, we will make a knight enemy. He is wearing armor, so we'll change his proportions some. We want him to look like he's wearing a helmet. We'll add a crest. And finally, we add eyes and color him. For the ghost, we will delete the bottom half. We'll extrude out into kind of a skirt. And we will give it sleeves. We will give the skirt a ragged look. I changed the sleeves a little bit. Then of course we will add eyes and color the ghost. Finally, I make a troll boss. First thing is to change proportions. We want him to look big and powerful. I keep grabbing loops and scaling them to make his muscles bigger. We'll work with vertices and do some tweaking. We want his feet to be very big. We will use the knife tool and give him some ragged pants like we did the zombie. We'll give him some eyes. Pull out his chin, and use the knife tool to add a big nose. And then some fangs. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. In the next video, I will show how I animated the character's face in Blender and Godot 4.